mangoes. Oh my gosh, you cannot be from the islands and not have mangoes.
Love
and
mangoes.
pineapple.
Pineapple!
And we have confectionate sugar. We've added in a little shaker. And 2 pigs. All different colors. Look at that.
There you go.
All right.
So we're gonna.
So the first thing we're gonna do. Who likes plantains? Everybody loves plantains. Cut off the ends. I have to stop Carlina from eating these before I cook them.
Yeah.
So you cut them straight down the side, then you peel it. Look at that. And then I want perfect circles. Look at that. What is that? Is that a 1/4 inch or not? Or 1/2 inch?
1/2 inch.
1/2 inch.
Oh my God.
She's like, she doesn't know if it's a 1/4 or 1/2 or not. All right, let's put those to the side. Now I have a trick with the mango. And you can use different mangoes. It depends on the style that you want. You cut the sides off.
So as to not cut the seed. That's why we're cutting the sides. Okay, perfect.
And here's how I do this. Cut it in slices, and then you go the opposite way.
Can we just breathe right here? This is how I like to eat my mango. I am such a weirdo, but like, look at these little chunks. You just like pull them off and then you eat them. That's my favorite way.
You just pull them off.
Taking one.
She does that every time also. Every time. And then it's the pineapple. Who doesn't like pineapple?
I don't like pineapple on my pizza.
Yes. Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay, 1/2 inch.
Yep.
Cut it.
It just fell just like that, you guys.
Right. Just go ahead and then cut it.
Cut into little triangles.
Little triangles.
Yep. But the key to cutting a pineapple is using a big knife. I cannot believe in the top 5 videos that people Google in food recipes is how to cut a pineapple. Number 1, you will not believe it. How to boil an egg. Are you guys serious? Do you guys need me to do that video? Well, comment below if you really want to know how to boil an egg. Because I already showed you how to cut a pineapple. We just showed you.
Oh, and the pineapples are just so sweet. Just cut off the ends. And now we're ready. So now that we have them all cut up and ready to go, what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn on the stove and we're gonna add the oil.
Yes, we are.
We're gonna heat a saucepan. We need a saucepan too. All right, so we have the frying pan on. It's on. We turned it on. It's heating up. It should be good. Just make sure you have enough oil just to coat the bottom of the pan. So we're gonna add the plantains. Right now I have it between a medium and high, between those two. Just be very careful when you're cooking. You don't want to throw things in so that they splatter, because then you could get burnt. They always say the only time you should get burnt is when you do something wrong, especially in a relationship. Santuan should know what that means.
Oh my God, can you leave Santuan alone, please?
All right, you want them a little brown, not too much. So look at that. See how they get that golden brown? So you don't want them to burn. You might say, well, how long should you turn them? I would say 30 seconds maybe on each side.
I literally remember just growing up eating plantains all the time, Mom. You would always use them as a side dish.
Yes, but this time I'm making them a dessert. And here's why. Because they're so good, you have to just use them for everything. But here's a twist to this dessert. Guess what we're doing? We're adding the pineapples.
Wait, warm pineapple?
Yes, look at that. But not only the pineapples, we're adding the mangoes.
What is happening?
Oh, look at that. And this you only do for a couple, not even 30 seconds. See that? And now this is ready to be plated.
Oh, wow.
All right, so we have already pineapple. It's now to put it together.
Okay.
So, here we go. Got the toothpick. Okay, you start off with the mango. Grab a piece of that. Then the pineapple. And then the plantain.
Ooh.
Look at that.
So you're just gonna keep doing this over and over.
And then you just add some
confectioner sugar.
That's correct. Oh my gosh, with the warm taste and flavor. Come on, Carlina, why don't you try this?
Of course, let's see.
The flavoring is just awesome. So this is something that you can use, just, you know, to just different twist to a nice dessert.
This would be great at a backyard party, like any summer parties.
For the summer?
Yeah,
That'd be great.
This is a great summer dessert. All right, you guys, for this recipe and more of my other recipes, go to www.cookingwithcarlina.com. Also, check me out on IG at Cooking with Carlina. We'll see you guys there. Thank you so much, Mom, for hanging out with me.
You're welcome. Enjoy this.